All right, so here I am.
Yes.
With yet another friend. His name is Faisal, right?
Yes.
Yes.
My friend. Sorry, your name? Sir?
Marco.
Marco, my friend. Yes.
So I'm walking down the street, and all of a sudden he starts talking to me because he's learning English, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he is. In some kind of British school of some type.
Yes,
right?
but American this language me learning.
Yeah. Now, one thing I will tell you that very interesting about Bangladeshians. Is,
I love this America. Yes, I am like this America.
Yes, he wants to go to America, obviously. But one of the things I wanted to tell you while I think about it, I don't know if he's going to be able to understand this, but as we're walking, he walks very close to me, and at some point when he asked me if we're going to be friends, I say sure. So he shakes hands, but then he grabs my hand,
Yes,
and
sure.
we're going to walk hand in hand down the street, which was just so adorable.
Yeah.
So anyway, he's, I guess, walking me home now.
He's my friend.
Yeah.
Marco. He's my friend.
And Faisal's my new friend.
Okay.
All right, that's it.
Okay.